Alright, let's unbox the Galaxy Tab S7 FE.
And there you go, Galaxy Tab S7 FE. We have the mystic green color, so this is it, Tab S7 FE. And here is the tablet. Alright, let's pull it from here. Here it is. Let's put it aside for a second. Here we have the S Pen. And the fast wireless charger, which I think is 45 watts. And here's the cable. And here's a SIM ejector tool. And there's some information, quick start guide. Yeah, there you go. So here's the camera in the middle, it's not on the side here. On this side you can see Type-C. There's no headphone jack, there's only a speaker here. And another speaker here for the dual speakers. It's not quad speakers, but it's still stereo speakers. And we have another mic here. And on the side we have a place for the expandable storage. Here we have volume up and down, power button. And the build quality seems pretty good. Here we have powered by EKG. Samsung Galaxy, it doesn't say Tab S7. So here we are in the setup. Start, agree to all, next. So while it's getting ready, let's see the S Pen. So I think you can just put it on the side, and there's magnets. It holds, kind of. Yeah. And also on the side here. And on the back you can put it here, I think. Yeah, there you go. Alright, let's not copy for now. Do that later. Skip. Next. Use location. Let's remove this. Accept. Let's skip this for now. Skip anyway. So there's no fingerprint scanner on this tablet, it's just Face ID, you can use it. Facial recognition, which is not that safe because there's no infrared, it's just a regular camera. Let's skip this. And we're in. There you go. So there's Netflix pre-installed, Spotify. Let's check out the Android version. 111. Alright, let's open Geekbench 5. Accept, and let's do the CPU benchmark. Okay, so here we have the result, 786 by 2280 multi-core. If we compare it to other devices, it's around the S20 FE and the Poco X3 Pro, it's about the same thing. And for multi-core 288, it's around the Note 20 Ultra and the S20 FE. Okay, now let's try to see a video and how it works. So let's find a 4K video to do the test. Let's see this video.
Overall, the image quality is pretty good, even though it's a TFT display and not an AMOLED like the S7 Plus. And also the dual speakers offer a good sound experience.
Okay, now let's try the S Pen. So here we have, there's a button on the side, I'm not sure what it does. But as you bring it closer, there's a cursor that appears, and then I can click on here, and there's a bunch of options. You can create a note. Let's create a note. There's even a sound when you draw on it, like a paper. And let's open it bigger. So, yeah, full screen. And it's sensitive to how much you press on it. Let's try some other features. Smart Select. I think you can do like a screenshot. Like you select something specific here, and then it takes a screenshot of that. And yeah, you save it, and it's saved. So now let's try out the camera.
So as you can see, the photos from the Tab S7 FE are pretty good, but you're probably never gonna need to use your tablet for taking photos. So thank you for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.